So from the number 5, all right, you can't wait, right? Speed to everything. And this is where, again, Keith comes in handy. Somebody like Keith, in whoever's case, the moment they like the home, are you calling and letting that agent know that you have an offer coming? Don't email, you can text, but there's no guarantee they're going to get that text, right? So from the moment they like that home, and let's say you still have 3 more homes to look at, doesn't matter. They might put an offer in on that one. Let that agent know. Let him know, hey, we're here on site. My clients are loving this home. We're probably going to get an offer coming your way. You know, is there anything we need to know? You'll have it tonight, whatever it might be. You know what I mean? So from the moment you like it, let them know. And that'll be your second contact. Okay, so you're already heads and tails above so many other agents that used showing time, didn't bother to find out anything about the offers. I'm sure you all have experienced it. More and more people are not actually laying any foundation before showing homes. They're bad, you know? So get in contact with that listing agent. Make sense? Okay, so number 5, communication. Get all the details. Try to be there. All right, so this is the next part, and Keith, we're gonna get to some of the fun stuff now.